Hi, welcome to Moments with Marshai, where we discuss handbags, lifestyle, and fashion. And today we are discussing 5 work bags. Yes. So if you're interested in seeing what those 5 bags are, please click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow the channel. Now let's get into this list, you guys. I am so excited. The first bag that we have on this list is by a designer named M.Z. Wallace. This is their Metro Tote. It is a beautiful bag. It is very spacious, has lots of pockets, and it comes in 3 sizes. The mini at $245, the medium at $275, and the large at $295. Now, these bags have zip closures. They have tons of pockets. It even has that piece of fabric that's sewn on the back that you can slide down on top of your carry-all if you're going through an airport. So you can be hands-free with it. You can wear it shoulder, crossbody. It's quilted and it will fit a laptop that's 13 inches. So yes, this is a very, very nice bag and it's at an affordable price. So you can carry all of your work essentials as well as some of your personal essentials in this bag with no need for a second-hand bag. Now, the second bag that I have on this list is from Poland, and I really like their Moki bag, Mokki. This bag I love the design of it. It's very fresh. It's very new, and it's also a very spacious bag. You can get it in the mini for $660, and you can get it in a large for about $760. It comes in 5 colors: chalk, taupe, ebony, black, and camel. I really like this bag in the taupe. If I were to get it, that would be my choice. And you can wear this bag in a number of ways. It converts very well from day to night. And like I said, it has a very fresh and stylish look. And that would be my selection if I was to go with that bag. Now, also, the third bag is from Loewe, and it's the flamenco. Now this bag is beautiful. It is a clutch bag that's soft and kind of slouchy, and it has a drawstring tied to it. Now with this bag, you can wear her on your shoulder, crossbody, or you can hold it by the drawstrings and wear it on your shoulder. So there's a lot of ways that you can carry this bag. It's made out of very soft calfskin leather, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It comes in 3 sizes: the mini at $2,350, the medium at $2,850, and the large at $3,250. Now for me, if I was to go for this bag, I would go for the medium. In this one, it comes in a lot of different colors. And you guys, I have my handy dandy laptop over here. And in fact, this clutch comes in almost 15 colors. So there's a color for everybody. But the color that I really like is a white, and I think it's called, let's see here. Let me get the color right for you guys. I love the dark khaki, and I love the sea salt. And the sea salt it's kind of like a real light taupe, but it looks very close to white. I think she's gorgeous. I love the silver chain on her, and I think she would work as a clutch, as over on your shoulder. This bag just would translate everything. I just think she is absolutely gorgeous. And on this list, this Loewe bag is my top one. It is my favorite on this list. The next bag that we have on this list is the dual bag from Marc Jacobs. Now, this bag comes in 2 sizes: a small for $350 and a large for $450. And it comes in a myriad of colors. I do love the way that this bag is designed. It's very classic, very clean, very minimalist. It will work with whatever outfit you're wearing. And Marc Jacobs is really going through a renaissance. Over the last few years, his bags are the bags to have. And I'm there for it. And with the dual bag, yeah, she is on my list. She was actually on my wish list of bags to have too. Cloud white. So yeah, she's on this list too. Okay, now the fifth bag I have it's another one from Pauline, and it is and I'm gonna say that the Siamese. It's a tote, and I've been seeing it in quite a few places. I've seen copies of this bag, but I've had a chance to kind of play with one, and I love the quality of the leather. I love the look of the bag. It almost looks like a flower. It's just beautiful. And with this bag, the way that it's designed, you can fold the sides in and it gives it one look, or you could pull the sides out and give it another look. The same way that you can with the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. You have the ability to adjust the strings on the Neverfull, push the sides in and adjust those strings. And instead of the bag being like this, it gives it a more rectangular look. With this bag, you can do the same thing, but you don't have to deal with strings. You have snaps. This bag comes in 9 colors, and I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. I do. With this bag, I would go with that. They're kind of tan. It's almost like a British tan. So yeah, so I would go with that. So those are the 5 bags that I have that are on my must-have for work. The list is comprised of tote bags, shoulder bags, and carry bags, and there's something there for everyone. And if you have any questions about any of the bags on the list, let's chat about it in the comments. I love discussing these things with you all. Do you have any of these handbags? What's your review as an owner of one? If you don't have one, would you add it to your list of bags? And if so, why? So please get with me in the comments. And like I said, let's chat about these handbags, y'all. And also click on like and subscribe, because that helps us to grow the channel. And until the next time, peace, take care of yourselves, and until we meet again, bye-bye.